Hi everyone, my name is Excel, your Excel SIFU from Excel. In this video, you are going to learn the shortcut you are able to create for your own so that you are able to speed up your data entry, especially the regular and the lengthy data entry. Let's see this example. If let's say I were to type this phrase over and over again, I may want to use this approach so that to speed up the data entry. The example we are going to use is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. It will take a while to type this whole phrase. I want to speed up the data entry whenever I go to a new file or the new cell so that I'm able to keep it there easy. To get this thing done, we go to File and we go to the last one. It says Options. Inside Excel options, I go to Proofing and I go to Autocorrect options. Inside here, I want to create our own short key or short code. So I just type QFox, stand for Quick Fox. So I start typing the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Once I'm done, I press Add and press OK and OK. Now I have a one gap between them so that it doesn't influence by the previous data entry. So I just type Q Fox. Once I'm done, I press Enter. Ta-da! So it's just done. If I want to have this whole thing into uppercase, I will just type Q Fox in uppercase. And I press Enter. And ta-da! If I say I want to type in lowercase at the same time, I want to have a subsequent letter after the standard phrase, I just type Q Fox. And once I press space, you can see it appears and put dot dot dot. So it applies the same for the uppercase. Space and dot dot dot. Okay, this is how we're able to get this thing done. If I want to fine tune on this standard phrase, I can still go back File, Options, and inside here I go to Proofing and Autocorrect. In order to search for the particular shortcode, I just type QFox. You can see it appears on the right side on what we want. If let's say I want to type some data entry, version 2, if any updates, I just click on replace and you say I want to redefine, I say yes and press OK and press OK to close Excel options. Now I go to a blank place, I type QFox and press enter. You are able to see it's get updated. So this is how we are able to key in the standard phrase we want to use with our own standard short code so that we are able to speed up our work and have more time for ourselves and our family. And if you are benefiting from this video, remember to like and share this video so that your friends and colleagues are able to learn from this video as well. Remember to subscribe so that you're able to stay updated for the future updates video. And my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel.